Okay guys, in this video I'm going to talk about transitive verb. What is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb? So for the understanding of this concept, we should bear in our mind that transitive verb requires object, whereas intransitive verb does not require object. Okay, actually there are some sentences where we have to use object. We have to mention object. Without mentioning object, we cannot understand the whole meaning of that sentence. So in that sentences actually transitive verb are found. Transitive verbs are found. So that's why we use object. As we can see in these examples, John conveyed the message. Actually the word of convey is transitive verb. So that we use over there object. Similarly, second sentence can be analyzed. She threw the ball. Actually, throw is transitive verb. So that's why we mention object here. Okay. Similarly, if we talk about intransitive verb, so intransitive verb does not require object. As we can see in these examples, they jumped. We don't mention here object. Okay. Similarly, she sang. What she sang, we didn't mention over there because sing is intransitive verb. Okay. So if it was the whole concept of transitive verb and intransitive verb. If you want to know how we can identify transitive verbs and intransitive verb, in next video I'm going to share two tips regarding this.